The Telemecanique atv71hd37n4 is a 37.5 kilowatt motor control and one of the many versions of the Altivar 71 series of motor controls. This particular motor control was from a shipboard application and used as part of an HVAC fan system. This system could be adjusted by specialized controls to maintain a specific air pressure in a large common source air system. This motor control came in with a series current fault, and after we rebuilt all the sub-assemblies and replaced the outputs, we were able to test the motor control as shown in the video. ERD has repaired many Altivar motor controls over the years, and we are well versed in the complex programming that can be found in many Telemecanique products. ERD routinely rebuilds all motor controls we receive for repair to both ensure proper operation now and over the length of our leading 3-year warranty. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.